Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swathi Creations. I hope all of you are doing great and are being safe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I gave a makeover to this bedroom in my home, and I have got a lot of products from Filpkart Home Improvement products. I will also share the details of those products in this video. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video, friends. So the first thing to do in this bedroom makeover was to choose a color for a wall. So one wall I wanted to paint it in yellow color, the rest of the walls are going to be in white. So this is the color I have chosen and took help from the painter to paint the wall. So as I already mentioned, I got a lot of products from Filpkart. So in Filpkart you get a lot of home improvement products for DIY task, and also you have very wide range of selection with great quality and genuine brands, and all of them are Filpkart assured and best value for money platform with above 10 lakh products and easy exchange, return and refund and fast delivery. So let me show you guys how I have given makeover to my bedroom using a lot of products from Filpkart. I also got it my door painted. Ta-ta-da! This is how the bedroom is looking right now. I got a lot of home improvement products from Filpkart, and you can see how lovely my room is looking right now. I'm just loving it, the whole vibe, and all the product links that I got from Filpkart will be in the description box below. I'm just giving you guys a closer look of each section of my room. This was a painting which was done by my daughter, and this was also done by her. And these beautiful bamboo plants I got from Filpkart, you can see how cute they're looking. They came along with the pot. I got a lot of plant samplings from this room from Filpkart, and as I already mentioned, the home improvement products are starting from a range of rupees 99, and all the plant samplings I got were around like 119, 149, 199, that's all, and as cheap as that. So, and all of them were very healthy. Filpkart offers a lot of gardening products under just rupees 499. You can look at the plant samplings, all are really very fresh and healthy. I got all of them from Filpkart. And in this corner I just made a small space for meditation and workstation. I hope you guys would have liked today's video. If you guys like it, please give a thumbs up, and also please do check out all the products that I've got from Filpkart in the description box below. If you guys like this video, please do give a thumbs up, and also please do share it with your friends and family. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swathi Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends. If you wish to follow me on Instagram, I have given the link to my Instagram handle in the description box below. Bye, friends.